decided to take out a deer.
How about that powder coat? Oh, gotta make sure I got these guys a good view here. I feel decent about it. All right, guys. We're going to fab that pipe in right there. Thinking about running it right here, turning it right into there, running motor mount straight up with a little side strut here. What could go wrong? So we need like 10 inches more. Huh? Huh? That's what she said, huh? Yeah, I mean, maybe not 10. I mean, so 32-inch pipe. I gotta make sure I got enough pipe. That's all I gotta do. We can't be running out of pipe in the middle of the job. Oh, we got pipe. Gonna be one of those moments of like, God dang, they build everything in-house, don't they? This really depends. Did you get all those cut out?
Yeah.
Man, you are a G. Probably gonna have you come over here and give her a old handy. We'll just go 34. Alright. Kyle, I need you to bring this extension cord, or a extension cord. It's gonna get sweaty for her hair. There's one right here. Right, this little shorty. Oh yeah, this'll work. Alright guys. Going up into the bat cave here. We're about to get our sweat on, baby. Good thing I only got to bend 2 pipe on this entire front car. Damn motors. Alright. Let's see. Orange to orange. Yep. And then this right here. Yeah. Oh, I know what I'm doing for sure. Some nice high pressure lines. Damn it, Kyle, I might need a hand here. Pop that thing, my hands are slipping. We tripping? There it is. I was about to say, what the f? Okay. How the hell did that get so tangled? Okay, take that. I'll be handling heavy machinery, Kyle. It's right here. I just want to make sure she... These. Everything here at Youngblood is built in-house. Shit. That's the Youngblood guarantee. All right. I'm gonna back up out the way of any dangers.
What?
That's it. Old girl hasn't been worked in a while. What's that, man? All right, guys. And that's how you bend a pipe at Youngblood LLC. Sweat your nads off for one. Sweat the natter days. Might chop a little off, but it's cool. Go in. Right there. Probably maybe a little more. Right there. Okay. Okay. You got that real quick?
Yeah. Nope.
He does not have it.
Alright, I got this.
Well, that's all I need. You to get hold that right there. Okay. Okay. Let me grab the marker. Get ourselves a nice fine-tune area. Okay. All right, guys, we're back. Pipe is bent, cut, and we're gonna give you a little preview before we go get the other one done. Here we are. She is going to fit like a glove. Look at that thing. I don't know if anybody's ever done this. They probably have. Honestly, who knows at this point. We're just giving her the old beef knuckle. You know what I'm saying? Got the mounts all up, updated here. Welded in. We just got this pipe right here all tacked in. This one all done. Motor mounts going in. Pretty much he's coming together, boys. Starting to look like a race car. Got a couple tabs we got to do. Still got the pole bar in the middle to all get all done up, but that's gonna be no problem. I mean, things are coming together smoother than cream cheese on a bagel right now, I tell you that. And I don't know about you, but I feel pretty confident in what I'm seeing here. So Kyle, how you feel? Where you at? What we got? What we got, boss?
Well,
give him an explanation, man. What you got going on here?
we got this put in. This put in. Austin did all the cleanup welds. Got those in. Finished up welding that. Working on the motor mounts now. He just welded this in. He just notched this. Fixed like a glove. And now we're gonna duplicate that over there on that side. She almost be ready to get off this thing.
Out there, the pole bar, baby. Little pole bar action in the center, dude.
That's right, yeah.
Dude, I'm pumped. Because I just looked at...
And then we got
a strut tower here.
we need the
But
spring
we got to
buckets.
get the spring buckets cut out. So that's a plasma cutter I'm picking up tomorrow, it looks like. Other than that, dude, man, stub work looks great. I mean, we're not the best fab job, but you guys leave it in the comment section what you think, all right? Because I'm going to tell you right now, it's not the best, by no means. But when it comes to home built, in the garage, couple mid-20-year-olds, I'm having a good time, living life. How you feel?
First time too, doing this.
First time for both of us, man. We don't know pretty much anything. I know my fair share around a race car, so I mean I know the ins and outs, and I mean this stuff's pretty big self-explanatory. I mean, bolt up, play, weld together. I mean, look at that fab. Little grind action.
Just imagine if we were doing this in the dark.
I know, dude.
But no.
Those lights, dude. Kyle coming in clutch. Go back to episode 1. All right, guys. We're gonna catch you later. We have ourselves a problem.
5 hours later.
We're back. Safety first. Camera's gonna die, but it's alright. What's going on, guys? Back. It's Friday morning. It's actually around noon, but been here morning. Figure I'd give you a little quick update, keep you up to pace with what we got going so far. Gonna probably pop the tripod on for a while today on the time lapse, give you guys something to watch for a bit. Kind of just working out the bumps right now with the video, trying to figure out exactly how we're editing and doing all the fun stuff and understanding what we can do to bring you guys the best content. Also, while I got you here, important, we need to name it. So I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Let us know in the comment section what you think the name should be. The most liked comment will be the name. So I'm not too worried. I never named a car, but we figured we'd let the community have a little bit of pull in it and have their own twist on it. So keep up with what we got coming. We got a lot in store, a lot more welding to go, a lot more time-lapse stuff, you know. So other than that, all right, real quick, I'm gonna install a little support bar here, probably end up putting one down to there. Not a professional by any means. I think I know what I'm doing. Not really, but happy to say it. What? Oh, man. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. Forgot the gas. Yep. That happens. That might be one of the best welds I've laid the entire time. Bro, what happened?
Yeah. Well, driving down the road and decided to take out a deer.
Man,
Yeah. It's been an eventful hour.
the woman's gonna be happy.
I called. I had to let her know. She was more worried about the deer.
She's like, is Bambi alive?
He alive is what I got, and I said,
Hell no. That
Bambi's gone. Bambi's gone.
motherfucker went flying. I saw 30 feet of legs.
Dude, it's so funny, dude, because, dude, yeah, Bambi's gone. Bambi's gone. I'm just glad old Mally stood up better than that, you know what I mean?
The hood's still there.
The hood's still there,
That's all
dude.
that matters.
Dude, honestly, she'll buff. That'll buff. Guaranteed.
That's funny, bro. We're gonna call that the old flex mount. Shock's gonna be, look, dude, think about it. I might have actually stumbled onto something there.
A little bit of.
Think about it.
You're
Little
going-
frame flex.
Little boop, boop, boop.
That one over there, we're just running bolt-on mounts. I'm gonna run the shock where
This is the front.
well, that's the front that we're not planning to use. And then
Yeah.
my dad, luckily enough, had one upstairs that I grinded away that we're gonna, because it is close enough. I mean, close enough. I mean, we're talking within a half inch.
Oh, wait, so you're legit just clamping on there?
Yeah, just clamp mounts, except for the right rear. Right rear.
Oh, well, at least you can, I mean, like, if you have to, you can always take her off and
Yeah, I didn't want to weld nothing up because I'm like, fuck. I weld some shit up, then I'm gonna be pissed. Special day, special day. We got it off the jig. Jig's moved to the side. Now we're to the finish, the welding, polish. You know, I put a lot of shitty welds on there, so there's
Buffage.
there's a little buffage action happening. I mean, you're looking at it in this area, though. I mean, that looks like a full-blown race
bro,
car.
Listen, when you're at a distance, you'll never ever see the welds. You know what I mean?
How about that powder coat? You know what I mean? So yeah, super stoked. Got her to the point now where we're gonna finish up welding up all the areas that we couldn't get when we were on the jig.
Right side up.
Yeah. So now we're gonna flip it upside down, get the bottom area, get it all ready, and then hopefully get it ready for powder coat. So can't wait. Honestly, super stoked. Never had a car powder coated ever. So this is gonna be a great time.